Hey guys, how are you? What's up? I'm May. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is gonna be in English because I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the things that I got from Shein. So here guys, I received a box with a few outfits and I'm gonna show you because I'm so excited. Oh my god. I don't know if you know this brand or this website, but I love it. I love the colors, I love the outfits, I love the clothes. Shirt here, it's very cute, right? It's from Shein and I love it. Let me start opening this. I've got a box opener. We just have to be careful with this, okay? I'm a little clumsy sometimes, so I really need to be extra careful. Oh my god. Shut up. Look at this box. Very organized box. Guys, I'm so excited to show you what I got. Really. So I've got one package, I've got another package, another package, another package, a box, and another box. Can you guys guess what's inside all of these packages? If you don't, let's see. Let's open right now. So I don't really know what I should open first. Okay, let's start with the clothes, okay? Okay guys, so first of all, let me show you this one here. It's big. It's a little big, right? And I'm so excited because guys, tomorrow I'm going to New York City and I was really counting on this to travel tomorrow. So I hope they fit on me because I'm so excited to wear this tomorrow. Oh, okay, so guys, this is, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so guys, this one here is a drop pullover with the sweatpants, and guys, I'm so obsessed with the quality of this thing. Really, I got the size S, which is small, because I'm a small person, you know, I'm short. The good thing is that we have some like elastic here, so it's good guys, and it seems so comfortable. Really, I can't wait to wear this tomorrow to travel to New York City. Really, I love it. I really loved it. Really, I'm so obsessed. And the quality, guys, it's so good. It really, it's so good. And oh, there are pockets, which is perfect. This is really gonna match with my white sneakers. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna try for you to see how I matched them, okay? So let's see the next one. All right, the next one is not that big, okay? So the package is like a little bit smaller, but let's see. Oh, I love the color. I love this color, really. Okay, so I just loved this blouse right here. It's so cute and I really love the color, guys, really. Hopefully it's not too big, but I don't think so. Let's see. I'm gonna try so you guys can see how it fit on me. Probably I'm gonna wear this with like jeans, you know, like pants, mom jeans, because I love it. And I hope it fits. All right, so let's see the next one, guys. As you can see, I love floral things, right? So this is also a little bit floral. So here we go. And it's actually something new for me because I've never bought anything green, really. Like I just love the color, but I've never thought of buying things for myself, you know? Usually I just buy like white things, black things, or yellow things, like nude, you know? But the green one, I never got any. So guys, are you ready to see this? All right. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute, guys. It's a dress, okay? And actually it's a different dress. I think it's a very cute dress. Hopefully it fits on me. It's not too big. I don't think so. Let's see. It's very, very cute. It's very vintage and I cannot wait to wear this with my hat, with my black hat that I just bought, and really it's gonna be so cute. And probably I'm gonna wear this with another thing that came in this package that I'm gonna show you right now. So guys, I also got these sandals here. They are so cute, really. And they are so light. So guys, I really, really love this, really. It's so cute, it's so stylish, and the quality is so good. Really, it's so good. Let me try it right now. Let me try this on, guys. I'm sorry, I'm wearing socks still, so that's why I'm taking this off. They fit perfectly. Oh my god. Oh my god, I loved it. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna show you, I've been waiting for this for so long. I am so excited to open this and to wear this. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Guys, look at the quality of these jeans. Really, seriously. I'm so impressed. Guys, the quality is so good. Look, I don't know if you can really see it. It's so good. And these are so cute. I can't wait until I can like wear it. So, okay, so I got the size 26. Like in the United States, my size would be like 25 or 26. I got the 26 because I was afraid of not like fitting on me. And besides, I prefer having like jeans that are a little bit loose, you know, than a tight one. So yeah, really guys, I'm so impressed with these jeans. They are so good. They're so good, really. I'm not lying to you. The quality is just perfect. And I'm gonna wear and I'm gonna show you guys how they fit on me. What do you think? Do you like it? Okay, so the last item, guys. If this is what I'm thinking it is, I'm gonna die, really. No, I don't wanna die. Really guys, so I'm so excited about this because it's something that I've been wanting like to buy since I was in Brazil, but since I got here I was like, okay, now I can get it. Are you ready to see it? But look at this, guys. Ta-da! Guys, I got a pair of white boots. Can you believe that? Really guys, I really love this, really. I hope this is gonna fit on me because, you know, right? Like shoes, sometimes they're tricky because of the size. And well, I'm gonna see. Actually, I'm gonna try it on right now. Oh, they did. They do fit on me, guys. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I cannot wait to wear this, guys, really. And I'm gonna show you right now how they came out, okay, with an outfit maybe. So there we go, guys. 1 second, I'll be right back. So guys, this was the video. Leave your comments down below and tell me what was your favorite item or your favorite outfit, okay? I'm gonna be so happy to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications and also give your thumbs up, okay? So that's it, guys. And also follow me on Instagram, which is myserafin, all right? Thank you guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.